Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a wonderful beans porridge recipe. Is it porridge or pottage? Please, you guys should tell me in the comment section because I want to run that thing. I don't know if it's porridge, I don't know if it's pottage, but yeah, back to what we're saying. I'll be sharing with you guys an excellent, a yummy, delicious beans porridge recipe. Yes, or pottage recipe. Yes, whichever one. I'm actually a person that actually loves beans in any way. If you like, use potato, use ripe plantain, overripe plantain, whatever it is, and prepare. In fact, corn. With corn is even the worst for me, but yeah, because it was the first thing I learned to ever make in the kitchen, I am an expert in making beans. So yeah, give me that crown. So guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you one of my beans recipe, one of it because I have numerous. Yes, if you catch me, I'll enter another one. So yeah. Okay, if this is the first time you're coming across this channel, my name is Dr. Wendy, and this is Everyday with Dr. Wendy. And please excuse the noise in the background. My son and my daughter are studying. I asked them to take their book and read, and Oga is reading out loud. I don't know if you can hear. I don't know if the microphone shuts it off, but if you hear that, bear with me. Some scholars are doing their work. If this is the first time you're coming across this channel, please do well to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Drop me a comment, a kind comment, please. A kind comment, and share this video to your loved ones. I really, really appreciate that. So guys, come in. Let's get into my kitchen and prepare this yummy food together. Let me introduce you guys to the ingredients we're going to be using. So first off, this is my beans. I already cooked these beans like 80% already. See, it's already very soft. And then the second thing is sweet potatoes. I'll be using sweet potatoes and ripe plantains. Okay, I already prepped them, and yeah, this is the quantity we're going to be using. Then we have our scotch bonnet peppers already blended, okay, and Nchuanu. This is Saint leaf. I'll be using Saint leaf for this, and the next one is crayfish. Now you see, I actually roughly blended this. Okay, see, it has some chunks of crayfish in it. That's how I love it in this recipe. So that's what we'll be doing. That's how I'll be using it. The next one is of course red oil and some onions, red onions, some tomato paste. This is my fish broth and my already prepped fish. I already fried this. I wanted to actually roast this in the oven, but I have a little problem trying to connect my oven. But yeah, this is what we have, Sha. So this is roasted, this is fried fish. Okay, and then these are our seasoning, some cubes, seasoning cubes, and salt. Okay, so guys, let's get right into it now. So I'll be using my hot plate. Okay, thank God for Nepa. The Nepa also. Let me save my gas. So I'll be using my hot plate, and it's really, really hot. Okay, so I had to put off my lightning so you see how hot it is. So yeah, let's transfer our pot and start cooking immediately. So guys, our pot is on fire now, and then the first thing I'll be adding is the amount of oil I'll be using to cook this. I'm going to allow this heat up a little bit. I'm not going to bleach it. Just let the oil get hot a little bit before I introduce the next ingredient. So our oil is hot enough. I'm going to be adding this, our red onions. So the next thing I'm going to be adding is our crayfish. Okay, roughly blended crayfish. So that will go in. And you give it a good mix. Let them marry each other properly. Like there's this different flavor that it gives when you fry your crayfish. Yes, so when you fry your crayfish, it gives a different flavor. Like it just ups the whole flavor thing. So yeah. So I'm going to allow that fry a little. Just a little, and then add the next ingredient. The next thing I'm going to be adding now will be my pepper, my scotch bonnet peppers. Okay. So I'm going to allow this fry a little too. very little. So yeah, this is what we have. Now, next ingredient, this is very easy to make. Is that just cooking the beans is the work there. Every other thing is easy. So the next thing we're going to be adding is our tomato paste into it. Okay. Because can't put in. Nigeria is not smiling with us. Taking everything in the plate inside my pot. Because okafo. Scrape, scrape. So give this a good mix. You know the way you make your local jollof rice is the exact way, okay? The exact way. We're just trying to get that same flavor that we get from making local jollof rice. So I'm going to cover this now so it cooks properly. I'll be fries properly. Yeah, they're all the same. So guys, yep. So this is what we have now. So the next thing I'll be adding into my pot is my fish broth. Okay, seasoning cubes. Please, oh, this flies. This is only me that you are seeing because of this crayfish. Adding in some water into it. So I'll be adding in some salt because it's already so soft. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to be adding it into this right now. Okay, making a mess here. Okay. Sweet potatoes and ripe plantains for it to cook. Okay. So cover this to allow it to cook. Okay, the next thing I did was I finally transferred my beans to my cam gas because I wanted it to cook faster. And the last thing, one of the last things I added actually was onions, and then my scent leaf will go in. After adding this, I'm going to cover it to allow it infuse its flavor into the beans. Now it's ready and it's time to give it one last turning, one last mixing. This tasted so good, so good. Like these beans is the best you ever have. Just trust me. And yeah, our food is ready. So guys, I just dished out a plate for myself. Of course not myself because I don't really like beans, but this tasted good. Trust me, coming from someone who doesn't really like beans, yeah, it's a 10 over 10 minus nothing. If you watched till this point, then you're a darling and I'm grateful for you. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys on my next one.